To use your Metrobank credit card, start by understanding the basics of your card, including the card number, expiration date, and security code. Familiarize yourself with the card's features, such as the credit limit, interest rate, and rewards program. Next, activate your card by calling the Metrobank customer service hotline or through the Metrobank online banking platform. You will be required to provide your card details and personal identification to verify your identity. Once your card is activated, you can start using it for purchases, either online or in-store. When making a purchase, ensure that you have sufficient credit limit available to cover the transaction amount. You can check your available credit limit through the Metrobank online banking platform or by contacting the customer service hotline. To make a purchase, simply present your card to the merchant and sign the transaction slip. For online transactions, enter your card details, including the card number, expiration date, and security code. Make sure to keep your card details secure and do not share them with anyone. In addition to making purchases, you can also use your Metrobank credit card to pay bills, such as utility bills and insurance premiums. You can also use your card to withdraw cash from an ATM, although this may incur additional fees and interest charges. To manage your credit card account, you can use the Metrobank online banking platform or mobile app. Through these channels, you can view your transaction history, check your available credit limit, and pay your outstanding balance. You can also set up automatic payments to ensure that you never miss a payment. To avoid interest charges and late payment fees, make sure to pay your outstanding balance in full and on time. You can also take advantage of the Metrobank credit card rewards program, which offers points or cashback for certain purchases. Finally, to ensure the security of your credit card, always keep your card and card details secure, and monitor your account activity regularly. If you notice any suspicious transactions, contact the Metrobank customer service hotline immediately to report the incident and prevent further unauthorized transactions. By following these steps and best practices, you can use your Metrobank credit card safely and effectively, and enjoy the benefits and rewards that come with it.